Hi class, so I'm going to be your substitute teacher for today. I wanted to touch base on a few modules, and we're going to solve a few problems for the modules, and I hope what I'm telling you is going to make sense, and I'm going to thoroughly explain it all, and I hope by the end of this that you will be able to solve these on your own. And yeah, so let's get into it. So before we get into it, I wanted to talk about the topics that we're going to be studying. So I just want to get you guys prepared so that you know what is coming. And yeah, so before we get into how to solve them, I just want to mention what we are going to be going through. So we're going to be going through exponential equations, exponential functions, and lastly, solving systems of equations algebraically. And I'm going to be going through step by step. And yeah, so I hope you understand it. So let's go. Let's solve this. Exponential equations. So we're going to be solving for x, and the example problem is 3x plus 1 equals 27. Let me just grab my pointer here. All right. So notice that 27 is a power of 3. So let's rewrite 27 as 3 to the third power. So then we have 3x plus 1 equals 3 to the third power. So the bases are the same, so we can set the exponential exponents equal to each other. So x plus 1 equals 3. Now let's solve for x. So x equals 3 minus 1, so that means x equals 2. So our answer is x equals 2. I hope I thoroughly explained that and that you understand. Alrighty. All right, now we're going to be going on to exponential functions, so let's solve this. So now, let's write an exponential function with base 3 that goes through points 2 and 81. The general form of an exponential function is y equals a times b to the x power. So here, we know that the base is b equals 3 and that the point is 2 and 81. So that means when x equals 2 and y equals 81. So now let's plug in those values to find a. So 81 equals a times 3 to the second power, and 81 equals a times 9. So we divide both sides by 9. So we have a equals 81 over 9, and a equals 9. So now our exponential function is y equals 9 times 3 to the x power. Okay, ignore this right here, but let's solve this. So we're going to be solving systems of equations algebraically. Let's look at our two equations. Both are 2x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 4. So let's take a second to notice how one equation has a plus y and the other has a minus y. This means that elimination will work beautifully here. So first we have to add the equations, so meaning eliminate a variable. So let's add the two equations so that the y cancels out. 3x equals 14. So we have to divide both sides by 3. So x equals 14 over 3 and or 4.67. So now that we know x, let's substitute a into one of the original equations to find y. Let's use the second equation since it's simpler. X minus y equals 4. So then we have to substitute 14 over 3. So 14 over 3 minus y equals 4. So now we have to solve for y. First, subtract 4 from both sides, or better yet, let's make 4 a fraction so it's easier to work with. So we have 14 over 3 minus y equals 12 over 3. And then we have to subtract 12 over 3 from both sides. So 14 minus 12 over 3 equals y. So then our answer here is y equals 2 over 3, or approximately 0.67. So now we have to move on to step 4. So write the solution as a coordinate. When solving a system, we always write our answer as a coordinate point because that's where the two lines intersect. So we have x and y equals, in parentheses, 14 over 3 and 2 over 3. So let's check the solution. It is optional but smart. So we're going to plug our values into the first equation. So 2x plus y equals 10, and then 2, in parentheses, 14 over 3, plus 2/3 equals 28 over 3, plus 2/3 equals 30 over 3, which equals 10. So yay, it works. And yeah, I hope as a teacher that I was able to get through to you guys and thoroughly go through everything, because I know personally I'm more of a visual learner, so I prefer it on paper and to be explained step by step. So I hope all the steps and everything made sense, and Overall, I really hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please see me after class, and thank you.